My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Sbfsppos. It's a random name of the ransomware, of course, but the ransomware is absolutely real. It may damage the majority of files that customers store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system. Then the customers suddenly realize that something really bad has taken place with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. This is because the ransomware has encrypted these files and also added this special Sbfsppos extension to them. The ransomware was specifically designed to force customers into paying the special ransom for file restoration, but in reality, to pay the ransom is obviously a very serious mistake. If you do that, your money may simply be wasted for nothing because you may not get your files restored at all. So please do not ever pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately get rid of this ransomware. First thing you should do is to carefully research the task manager of your computer. If you discover any suspicious processes running in the background, you need to terminate them. Also, we recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. So the program begins researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well to detect and delete the majority of ransomware type threats. Its premium license is provided with the excellent anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you may add certain folders that will be protected against ransomware, but this feature is the part of the premium license. At the end of the scan, the application Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of threats. We strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium in order to neutralize all these threats altogether, and this is the best way to keep your files secure and always safe and protected against ransomware attacks.